Hi guys, today we'll be discussing alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of an initial letter or sound in closely connected words. For example, in the sentence, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, many of the words start with the letter P. Alliteration is often used to create an effect. Other examples of alliteration: brilliant Bayo buzzed around as busy as a bee. Those lazy lizards are lying like lumps in the leaves. Paula planted the pretty pink poppies in the pot. You may also come across alliteration in advertising. For example, don't dream it, drive it. You'll never put a better bit of butter on your knife. Alliteration makes writing sound punchy and can be memorable for the person reading it. You can get your children or students to create fun examples of their own too. For example, talented Toby took Timmy Tokwa to a top tennis tournament on Tuesday by 10. You can even challenge them to say 10 times without blabbing. Talented Toby took Timmy Tokwa to a top tennis tournament on Tuesday by 10. I hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in our next video, hopefully. Bye, and do follow us on social media at Foremost Impact. Thank you.